Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Really unusual pattern. It doesn't look too cool till you take away the black box, and the black box just makes it pop out because the shadow we have. And I cloned this to get a better feel, but I thought I'd show you how to make it with some circles. So I'm going to start with a 4-inch circle, but I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2.5. I found that works the best. And I'm going to hit the plus key and move it over, hit the plus key and move it over. And then I get this shape right here in the middle, take my smart fill tool, and I get that shape. Now, we need one of these circles. I'm going to delete these other two. I'm going to go ahead and put this circle in the center of the page. Doesn't really matter in this case, but then I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to grab that node right there, and I'm going to have it snap to there. I'm going to Control D and Alt at C and make it rotate from the center. And you can see if I rotate it 90 degrees, I get that right there. But we need to do something with this first. So I'm going to go to the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across it. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same. Well, you know what? I'm going to do a different color. I'm going to put black on both ends. And I do that so much, I ought to just change it to black. And let's put this color in the middle. Okay. Now what I want to do is make a clone of that. I've made a hotkey a couple weeks ago for mine is the letter Q. So I'm just going to go ahead and clone it. And I'm going to move this out of the way. And that is our clone curve. So I need to nudge it out of the way. This is our control curve. I can move it, but I want to nudge this back. Then I can make a duplicate, Control C. And I've had just over the last couple of days, I've had people ask me for that macro, and I'll surely send it to you. Now take away your center circle. Don't group them together really in a way, but we got 7.5. Change your nudge factor to 7.5. Just select these and hit the plus key a couple of times. And because they're symmetrical, we can go down to the same shape. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the black box on it. And that looks pretty cool. But with our clone, you can change it. I actually like that purple better than the other one. And then you could change, we could go back to that orange. I really like that purple. Let's go with the dark purple. Ooh, pretty cool. Just try different colors. That looks pretty good. If that was print on a shirt. They look like tubes with openings in them. You could even do a little more and put a little white. And then let me zoom in here. I like being able to see everything happening. We put another little red on the other side. And see, it just gives it a little bit of shine. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.